cake friends, welcome back to Wisdom Wednesday here at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes. Today we're talking all things cake combs. There's lots of cake combs out in the world, and I am here to tell you my favorite cake combs. I'll show you, I've got quite a few that I've tried over the years, and I'm going to show you guys my favorites. This little guy was my favorite and very first cake comb that I ever owned. I loved it from the very beginning, but you can see it's not a very tall cake comb, so I obviously needed to get other ones. This one, however, is really good for when you use your sharp edges on top of your cake. It's small enough to help you get those clean, sharp edges. This guy will forever be my favorite, and you can really get him on Amazon for like $2. Okay, also, I did try in my cake scraper search for the best one, I tried these ones. These ones did the job, but I never really loved them. As you can see, they are quite flimsy, and that kind of gets a little bit harder when you're trying to frost and make those clean, beautiful buttercream cakes. So I loved them, but I didn't. I also tried this one. You can see this is also a plastic one, but it's not flimsy, and it really works well. I've used this one a few times, but however, I do not love it. Let me tell you why. After researching, I needed a taller cake scraper because I make taller cakes sometimes, so I needed something taller. This one is from Esther Cakes, and it's my favorite because the difference, the metal. I'll tell you why I love the metal, because you can control the temperature on your cake comb. I can make this cold, I can make it warm, and it is just so much easier to work with the buttercream. A lot of times if you warm it up, it helps to get those nice smooth cakes if you warm up your cake comb. However, if it's too warm, you can cool it down. This cake comb is my favorite. Metal cake combs. I'm just gonna say it, guys, they're my favorite. Also, as you can see, I've got quite a few cake combs here. These are textured cake combs, and they're all the rage right now in the caking world. Everybody likes texture, everyone likes all these fun, different designs we can make with our cake combs. This is the same company, Esther Cakes, and they're amazing. There's so many different ones, you guys. I have yet to use all of these, and I'm dying to use them. I want to make a cake every single day so that I can use them. I mean, look at these cute little scallops. It's just super fun. And once again, as you saw if you've watched my cake striping tutorial, back a few videos, I taught you guys how to make stripes and get them clean on your cakes, and it was because I was using, again, a metal cake scraper. When you're making the stripes or any kind of texture on your cake, the temperature, you can control it with the metal scraper. I'm gonna, however, do videos with a lot of these different textured cake combs, and I will show you guys how we get the texture on our cake, and we will go through it together, and I'll show you all how and why I love each and every one of these metal cake combs. If you do have the other cake combs and you're just starting out, it's awesome. Just go for it and try it, but when you do want to try something different, metal cake combs are the way to go, guys. I'm going to link you guys to Esther Cake and all of her cake combs. I have a discount code, CHALEESE Bakes Cakes 17, if you guys want to use it to get any of these fun cake combs. She just came out with the pink ones, and I mean, they're pink and they're adorable, so go check out all her cake combs. I will link it at the end of this video. And like I said, I'm gonna have lots of videos on all the different textured cakes. We're gonna try out all of these cake combs, and I will walk you guys through it all, and you guys can come along for the fun cake texture ride we're gonna take, because I want to use all of these fun textured cake combs. So I hope you guys stick around, because I will be back for more soon. Thanks so much for hanging out as we learned about fun, awesome cake combs and my favorite ones. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at CHALEESE Bakes Cakes for more fun over there, guys.